Hello there, it's New Hope here once again, and today I'm making another video about the Runleader Captain RLHM 400 multifunctional meter, which I highly recommend for any motorized bicycle user to get one. This multifunctional meter has everything you need that can um, help you keep an eye on your engine whilst you're traveling. We have the temperature sensor, RPM, input sensor, uh, battery voltage, as well as the speedometer. And my favorite one is the RPM, because it helps me to know my engine RPM and whether my engine performance is coming down, when I should change my air filter and all that. It has maintenance timers as well, so you don't have to worry. You just have to set your alarm, and once it reaches the time for you to do any of that, you see the um, icons line up over there. So currently it has three themes. We have the RPM theme, which is my favorite. We also have the odometer theme, and then the running time theme. Yeah, you can set any of them as your default, and then it has so many features. It just has so many features, and so I'm going to leave the I'm going to leave the purchase link in the description, and also if you do have any challenge, or you want to find out anything about this wonderful meter before you make your purchase, feel free. And also, to add to it, the seller is a very nice lady. She will make sure you are satisfied. If your meter arrives and you have any issues, any challenges, any problems with your meter, all you need to do is just to tell her. Sometimes you just request a video proof or a picture proof of what you're trying to complain about, and before you know it, they'll send you a replacement. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you so much for staying that long till the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because I'm going to be making more, and I'll be updating you on this very particular meter, and also much more on the motorized bike and its engine as well. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.